Hey guys, it's Jocelyn Santiago, Director of Education with Ever. Today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve flawless looking skin fast with our amazing results-driven skincare, plus our new Forever Daily Facial Foundation and our Blur Perfecting Face Powder. You guys, all great makeup starts with gorgeous skin. So today I'm joined here with my beautiful friend Valerie. Hey, what's up?
Hi.
Thanks for being here with me.
Thank you.
We are going to show you how to look fab in no time. It goes without saying, the first step in achieving an amazing looking complexion is to prep with skincare. And we have two different skincare regimens that address different concerns. The Pure Results regimen is powered by our patented LSR10 to correct and address the visible signs of aging like fine lines. Pretty Young Trio is formulated with superfoods and is your go-to for preventative skincare. Think hydration and brightening. So I'm going to start by prepping Valerie's skin with our beauty water. It's a micellar cleansing water. It's going to leave your skin feeling toned, refreshed, and amazing. Trust me on this one. I like it right before makeup application just to leave the skin feeling nice and hydrated. Okay, Val, how does your skin feel?
I love it.
So far, so good. That beauty water is amazing. So now we're going to move on to our Youthful Quattro Peptide Face and Eye Serum. This is powered by our patented LSR10. It's gonna smooth out the look of those fine lines, and I just love how it makes my skin feel before my makeup application. You are going to feel fabulous. Next, I'm going to layer on our Daylight Radiance Moisturizer with SPF 32. This multitasking formula comes in 6 tinted shades plus a clear option. Today I'm going with clear. It gives skin such a beautiful, healthy glow, and it protects with a chemical-free SPF. I also love to layer on our Revive Intensive Eye Lift Cream. It's awesome in the morning to reduce the look of puffiness, and it's super hydrating. Now that skin is prepped with skincare, we are ready to perfect with our incredible new complexion products. I like to add some corrector and concealer to brighten up the under eye area. I never leave the house without these guys. You can also use our concealer for spot coverage, and it's so simple to apply with our Face One brush. It allows you to precisely target the areas you want to cover and blend for a silky smooth finish. So how do you feel so far?
Amazing.
You look fierce already. Doesn't she look good, guys? So I'm gonna go ahead now and apply our Forever Daily Facial Foundation. You are going to love this. And we have this amazing brush. It's called our Face 2 brush. It's numbered. Everything we have is numbered, making it really simple for you. So I'm gonna start by applying 2 to 3 drops of this on the brush, and then we're gonna start applying. Forever Daily Facial Foundation is more than just makeup. It's foundation and skincare in one simple step. Starting in the center of the face, using circular motions, buff and blend the foundation for a seamless finish. The brush has a custom beveled edge and a wide base that hugs the contours of the face, so you can achieve a gorgeous result in just seconds. And it has some serious skin-loving ingredients. Think papaya enzyme to smooth and magnolia to protect and condition. It wears 12 plus hours, and hydration is increased 34% when the foundation is applied. Plus, it comes in 10 amazing shades and offers this flawless, long-wearing matte coverage that melts into the skin for a naturally radiant, airbrushed appearance. So now that foundation and concealer are on, we're going to finish with Blur Perfecting Face Powder. This translucent finishing powder reduces shine and blurs away visible redness and pores, so skin looks smoother and more vibrant. It's packed with vitamin C, papaya extract, and magnolia oil to boost the skin-loving benefits of Forever Daily Facial Foundation. All right, my love, now that your complexion is perfected, do you feel perfected? You look amazing. We are going to move on to enhancing with some color. We have our Alpha Dora palette. I'm going to use it in a shade family called Bold and Brave, a little Whiplash Speed Volumizing Mascara, and some of our Forever Longwear Liquid Lip Color. And girl, you are good to go. How do you feel?
I feel amazing.
You look amazing. I keep saying the word amazing, but she does. She looks pretty hot. That's it. Thank you so much.